Good morning, Mrs. Turner's class. This is Mr. Turner. We spoke the other day when I came in and introduced myself. Today I'm going to give you a quick little walkthrough of Kidspiration 3. It's a concept mapping program and it'll be installed on your computers there in your classroom. Once you open the program, you're going to choose Open a File, and that will bring you to another window where we're going to search for a Kidspiration file. I've already created one. It's called Sink or Float, and this goes along with the lab that you're going to do in the next couple days. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose 10 items there in your classroom, and you're going to predict whether or not they are going to sink or float. So right along here up at the top, we've got a picture of an eraser, crayons, some dice, and some marbles. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click in the box and choose whether or not you think it's going to sink when you place it in the water, or whether or not you think it's going to float. So if we look right here, the eraser, I'm going to predict that that is going to float. And we're just going to type it in. Our next item is a crayon. Well, I think that is actually going to sink, so I'm going to type that in right over here. Now the picture right next to it are playing dice, so I'm going to predict that that is going to sink to the bottom of the thing of water. And the ball, I'm going to say that that is going to sink as well. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to spend time doing the experiment with Mrs. Turner and your classmates, and then you're going to come back to this document, and right here where it says objects that sink, you're going to measure how much water, or how much the water increased in level. So once you've done that, you'll have to look at your cylinder that you're using in class and choose or type in how much the water level increased. So for example, we've already done the experiment and the water level went up by a total of 3 millimeters. We're going to type 3 milliliters and just enter it that way. And that, boys and girls, is how we will use Kidspiration with the lab Sink or Float that you're going to be doing this week.